If you have 5 minutes to spare today, I recommend replacing your air filter. It's super easy to do and could increase your engine's performance. Most air filters will be located on the side of the engine and will have a rubber hose attached to it that leads to the engine. To give you another example, here's the location on a Toyota Camry. So the first step is to unlock the air filter housing cover by releasing the clamps. Then, just take out the old air filter. As you can see, mine was dusty and needed to be replaced. Also, it's pretty dirty inside of the air filter housing, so we're going to go ahead and vacuum it before putting the new air filter in. Once your air filter housing is clean, you can put the new air filter in. Make sure to seat it securely to prevent unfiltered air from entering the engine. When putting back the cover of the air filter housing, make sure the tabs slide into the pockets. Lastly, just clamp everything together and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.